Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the drill press with the Taylor Toolworks drill press sharpening system. Wow. You ever get that one thing? You get that knife sharpener. And the next thing you want to do is sharpen every knife in the kitchen, every pocket knife you have, so on and so forth. Well, I've got to say, this has a couple little quirks, but I took the cheap Chinese blade and sharpened a perfect 25-degree bevel on it. Then I tried flattening it on the top, and I didn't like that very much. So I went to the plate glass, the chisel flattening kit, and I flattened that, but I still used the David Charlesworth ruler trick because it didn't flatten completely. Then I installed this one with the 220 grit on the bottom. I came in, I sharpened it on the bottom, and then I stropped the back, just lifting it a little bit to get rid of the burr. Came on the front, found the bevel, honed that. This thing is so sharp. So I proceeded to find an old chisel. Same thing. Beautiful bevel. And with this one, I went on the chisel flattening plate, made sure it was flat, came back here, buffed it on the strop. Then I came in, found the bevel, and just lifted a little bit. And there's that little tiny razor's edge at the top there. Just, you can see that little glint of light at the top. I know the lighting stinks. I have to work on that. But there's that little, there it is, that little glint of light at the top. That's polished. And this chisel is probably as sharp or sharper than I have ever had it. So we're going to have to figure out how to do the lighting and the camera work and everything else. But I wanted to give you my first impression of the Taylor Toolworks drill press sharpening system, and I give it a thumbs up. Now I'll go put this in the plane, see what kind of shavings it makes. That's about it for today. Head out to your shop. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.